Here's how we can save a file from Google Docs to the iPhone. So let's get started. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So of course, you open up the Google Docs app on your iPhone. You can see all of your uploaded files right here, or you can create a new one. But in order to save it from the platform to the iPhone files, you need to at first locate it as such. And it's not like you click on any of the options, because when you click on the three dots, you don't necessarily see the download button, so it's not really that way. But instead, what you have to do is to click on send a copy, because when you do that, it's gonna prepare the file, and it's gonna sort of export it from the app, and it will give you the ability to save it somewhere else. So most likely you want to click on a save to files, which means that you export it or save it from the Google Docs application to your iPhone Files app. And that's how you can kind of move it or save it from that platform to your own one. But that is not the only option, of course, as you can as well just click on copy and paste it somewhere else, or use any of the prepared sharing apps. Like you can use it to share it over AirDrop to your iPad or other device, or you can as well send it over email or save it into WhatsApp, Gmail, or any other platform which supports that file type. But that is all from me. I really hope that I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you later in the next videos and tutorials like this one.